Hola, this is a lesson on adjectives. Although you've already seen it, we're going to do a really quick refresher. An adjective in Spanish, just the same as it in English, it describes a person or a thing for this lesson. And what we're going to look at today is a couple of adjectives in your vocabulary list. And we'll just start off with the word tall. Tall can describe a person or it can describe a thing. And in Spanish, all people and inanimate objects, they have gender as well. So something can be feminine or masculine, like the table. Table is feminine, la mesa. I am feminine, la señora, la maestra. Bien? So you're going to ask yourself, who or what am I describing? And then you're going to make the gender and the number match. What does that mean? Is your adjective describing something feminine? Then you have to figure out if it's singular or plural. Or is your adjective describing something masculine? And then is it singular or plural? Singular or plural means the number. Gender means feminine or masculine. And let's say I want to describe myself as tall. I would say, because I am feminine, I would use alta. Anything ending in the letter A is generally feminine. If I want to use multiple of us, let's say if I want to say all us girls, we are altas. We are feminine and plural. Same thing goes for masculine. Alto would describe Miguel. One, masculine. Alto. A for feminine, O for masculine. And if I wanted to say the boys are tall, I would say altos, masculine and plural. Very, very simple. A for feminine, O for masculine. Let's try some examples with the verb ser, which we already know. I am tall. Yo soy alto. I am tall. I am feminine. I'm going to say yo soy alta. Miguel, because he's masculine, is going to say yo soy alto. The next one, ellas son, ellas. Ellas is feminine and plural. They are tall. Ellas son altas. Ellas. Ellas son altas. And if I wanted to say tú eres tall, I have to ask myself, who is tú? Who am I talking to? If I'm talking to Miguel, I'm going to say, tú eres alto. If I'm talking to my daughter, I'm going to say, tú eres alta. All the words on this side are singular. Yo, tú, él, ella, and usted. Singular. Nosotros, nosotras, ellos, ellas, and ustedes are plural. Anytime you use any of these, that's going to be with an S. Good? That's it for right now. In the next video, we'll explain the exceptions to this rule. A for feminine, O for masculine. Always add an S if it's more than one person. Listo.